Yo, what's good with y'all, man? We're back here with another video, and today we're actually going to be putting the yellow DRLs onto the M2, which we are in this car right now, and we are going to be putting them onto the car, so I'm very excited to do so. And you guys are about to be seeing how magnificent this car could actually look with some yellow lights in front of it. So I'm excited to show you guys. I'm going to go ahead, hop up into it, and I was about to shift it because it wasn't shifting. If the recording is a little bit bad, just deal with it. Just bear with it, please. It's gonna get better as the channel progresses, I promise you. But tomorrow I'm gonna be going out with Sean for some driving and some flicks and shit, so you guys will get a whole video. Or actually, I think I'm gonna just throw it into this video. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna throw it into this video. It's probably gonna be some good 360 footage, so y'all stay tuned, man. And let me know if you guys enjoy the 360 content. Let me know, and I'll continue to release some 360 content because I enjoy doing that. I'm not even gonna lie. But nah, pretty much, I hope you guys have been enjoying the content recently. I've been doing my best to make it as good and as nice to watch for y'all as possible. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to do my best that I can, and I'm gonna continue to do better. Really soon I'm gonna begin my windows tinted, so I actually called today and they said they're gonna give me a call back in a little while so that I can go ahead and schedule my tinting, because I'm really ready to get some tints. I think I'm gonna be doing 35%, or I'm gonna do 35 around with 40 on the windshield, and I think that's how we're gonna rock out. Hey, if y'all smoke, let me know down in the comments what strain y'all have been smoking on. If you guys pay attention to the strains and shit that you guys smoke, what y'all been smoking on, man. I just had some, I think it was called Brownie Scouts. That shit was pretty fire, I can't lie. It was actually pretty good. It was hella fresh bud too. Like, the flower was so fresh. It was low-key annoying. Once the tints get done, I'm going content crazy, bro. I'm posting so much. I just need the car to have a little something else done to it other than what it has right now. I don't know if you guys understand that. You guys a nice little pull. I had a second. This bitch be fucking moving. Nah, let me know what you guys think of the car. This thing definitely moves. It's really not far off from a M4 comp or an M3 comp, if I'm gonna be honest with you. It's literally got the same tune. It's like 30 horsepower less, if I'm gonna just be completely honest. now. We are just over at that same parking garage that I always go to. I'm finally using my gimbal, so this thing is actually working wonders right now. And as you guys can see, like I said, I have the yellow DRLs on now. I will be throwing up a install video, a more very in-depth install video, so y'all just stay tuned for that. If you guys see it, it's just gonna be me and my homie Ant just going back through and redoing it so that y'all can really understand it, because we were looking online and there are no good videos explaining how to do the DRLs on a G87. So I'm gonna go ahead and be a good Samaritan, and I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all that content exactly, because I haven't seen it. But as y'all see, yes, this is an Insta 360. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this bad boy on while we're right here. Yeah, pretty much all that's done to it right now is the reflectors. As you guys can see on the back, the reflectors are gone, and up on the front too, you guys can't see the reflectors because simply they are tinted. They literally look the same color as the car. So I'm very happy with that, I can't lie. I actually couldn't be happier that the reflectors are gone. I think that it's really disgusting that they do put those on. Also, I just wanted to say with the DRLs, it turns off this side marker right here that says BMW LED, and it throws a code. So I have a code because that side marker got pushed off because of the DRL module. So it's no biggie with that. It's not a big deal, I don't really care, but it does look better that that light is off, because now it's just how it should have been, just the DRL, bro. That's how these cars should really be looking. The wind might be a little bit loud for right now. I definitely need to get an exhaust going, which there's a bunch of companies that make them, so I just need to go ahead and pull the trigger on something. I definitely want it to be an exhaust though, bro. I just don't know what to do, to be real. Y'all already see what we're doing, man. Oh, what happens, it just double parks me. I didn't even try to double park. It was just where I was lined up.
Today the sun feel like a sauna. You only see me and my vision is tonal. Take care of your vision, stay out of trouble. She stay in her feelings and why I can't settle. It's cluttered and hard to be subtle. Strung like a bell with no buckle. Got our color cash in the duffel.